The best fusion you can achieve in C1, C2 fusion is not between the two laminae, but in the joint space. To open this, you can take a chloride spreader or something. You can spread up the C1 and C2 laminae, like here. For that purpose, you can apply gentle distraction. You have now more space here to mobilize the venous plexus cranially, follow until the joint capsule. You can open it either blunt with a dissector or with a knife. Open it, go into the space. You can remove the cartilage, put some bone chips, and the fusion is done.